Good morning, fourth graders. It is Friday, March 20th, and we have almost gotten through an entire week of this online school. You guys are doing a great job. I'm really enjoying seeing you on Zoom, so make sure you're still logging in at 11:30 every day, and hopefully we'll have perfect attendance today. That would be awesome. Okay, so since it's the end of the week, I'm not going to assign you a lot of new things. We're just going to make sure we are finishing up all the stuff that we're supposed to be doing all week. So I'm going to go through each subject and just remind you. So for reading today, all you have is a reading quiz. So that's going to be on Google Classroom, and you're going to just click on the link, and then you double click in the text box to answer each question. So it's just like the 100 Dresses writing, which you need to make sure you have done as well. When you're done with that, all you do is you go back out to the original assignment and click turn in. Even if you don't click turn in, I can actually see what you've worked on. So if you can't figure out how to turn it in, you can just finish it and I can read it anyway. Also for reading, you need to make sure you are reading your partner book and commenting. And then if you're done with your partner book, you can just send it back in your envelope. Last thing for reading is take a picture of your reading calendar so that I can give you credit for the week. And if you can send that to me today before 3 o'clock, then you can get your reading slips into the drawing for Mrs. Moore. Also, if you haven't read 40 hours yet, then you need to make sure you send it to me today so that you can get your prize, which we're going to be sending home in your envelope as well. For math, today we're doing lesson 11.4, and we will do that on Zoom. So make sure you log in, and then you can still obviously do Rocket Math and Freckle Math and Accelerated Math. And I'm going to tell you the points for today. For Rocket Math, Pacifica earned 1, Caitlin 1, Nathan 1, and Geronimo 2. For Freckle Math, Nathan, Christy, Mackenzie, Morgan, Bryce, Midori, and Pacifica each earned 1 point. Midori earned a bonus point for getting the most correct, and Mackenzie earned a bonus point for having the highest accuracy. So good job for you guys. Science, just make sure you've gone through and finished the 2 Nearpods. Both of them are still on Google Classroom, the code, so make sure you get those done. For writing, you just need to finish your essay. Hopefully you've already done it. It's the final draft for By the Great Horn Spoon, and you are turning that in today in your envelope. And for history is the last thing. Your crossword should be done already. If not, you need to finish that, and you have a quiz today on Google Classroom as well. So your big assignments that are new today are the reading quiz and the history quiz. Same thing for both. You just double click where it says type here and enter your answers there. For both of those, you can use your books and your studies weeklies, but you cannot ask anyone to help you. So I will trust you to be on the honor system for that. And then last thing, handwriting. You're going to do day 4, which means the verse. So rip out a page from the back and write it in your most beautiful handwriting, and you're going to turn that in. So today on GradeLink, you will find a checklist of the things that you need to put in your envelope. So I'm going to go through it really quick. You're going to put in your 100 Dresses graphic organizers, your By the Great Horn Spoon final draft, your math lessons 11.1 through 11.4. So you're going to rip those out from your book. You don't need to rip out the homework pages, but if they're in the whole stack, it's fine. But I need to make sure you're actually doing your math work. Studies weekly you should be done with. So after you take your quiz, put it in your envelope. You're going to turn that in so I can see your crossword. If you're done with your partner book, you can put it in your envelope and send it back. And handwriting, just day 4. So don't rip out all the lessons. I just want day 4, just the verse. So rip that out and send it in. And hopefully I'll see you all at 11:30, and have a great day.